you do not have a limit on how much money you could make. Hey guys, Brandon, what's up? Let's go. So today we're going to be talking about 10 pros of being a Forex trader. 1. You have a lot of freedom of your time. As a trader, one of the biggest things that we become traders for is so that we could have freedom of our time. We could do whatever we want whenever we want. Now a lot of traders obviously don't ever get to live this reality, but if you are good and you become successful, trust me, your time is yours. 2. You can work from anywhere. Now as a trader, one of the biggest things we actually run down is the ability that allows us to work from anywhere in the world. You can realistically work from home, you can work from an office, you can work from the beach, you can work from anywhere. And I think most jobs don't offer you the ability to work anywhere, and being a trader does. 3. You don't need to deal with many people. See, that's one of the things of being a trader. Because you realistically work for yourself, by yourself, and with yourself, once you are at a point where you don't need any help from anyone to make decisions in your trading journey and in executing the trades itself, realistically you're good. You could literally live for the rest of your life by yourself making trades, and you don't need anybody to make any money. And that's always a benefit, because you don't need to rely on an external source or an external factor that they don't really control your paycheck. Essentially, you do. 4. You realistically don't need to sell a product or a service to really make money in this space, because all you're really doing is making sure that you take the correct trades, making sure that you are entering where you're supposed to enter, exiting when you're supposed to enter. But because of this, and point number 3, you don't need external sources to give you access to money. You are in direct control of how you make money. 5. So as a trader, what you are effectively doing is making sure that your money works for you. Alright? We hear it all the time, when you work a 9 to 5, you are working for money. Right? As a trader, your money is working for you, because what you are doing is making sure that the money that is in your account, you are actively trying to multiply it and grow it. That is money working for you. You aren't working for money. Money is working for you. 6. And basically, due to the last point, you aren't exchanging your time for money. So you don't clock in at a certain time, clock out at a certain time, and those hours that you work, don't put a limit on the amount of money you can or can't make. Alright? That's always a benefit, because theoretically, as I will mention in my next point, there's a very, very big benefit to not making sure or not exchanging your time for money. 7. Theoretically speaking, you do not have a limit on how much money you could make. When you're good and you're actively, you're consistent and all of that, I could tell you that realistically there isn't a limit on how much money you could make. Right? It obviously depends on your account size and your risk parameters, but you could make basically anything you want to make, depending on obviously your ability to take the correct trades. But yeah, there isn't a cap on how much you can make, and that's obviously a very, very big benefit. 8. You learn a lot about yourself. One of the most notable things in my journey is just how much I've learned about myself, what I like, what I don't like, what works for me, what doesn't work for me. And these things realistically have made me into, I would say I've become a different person since being a trader, a full-time trader. And I think anything that allows you to learn about yourself is a good thing, right? Because, I think human beings are so misunderstood, right? And the more we can learn about ourselves is the better we can not only understand ourselves, but also understand other people. 9. If you want to, right? Even though I said in one of the earlier points, you don't need to work with anybody else. If you want to, because this is a worldwide industry, if you really, really wanted to, you can get to meet people from all over the world. Different cultures, different cities, different islands. And it's a beautiful thing, because again, coming back to the last point, once you do understand yourself and can understand people a lot better, it's actually very refreshing to know about different cultures and the way that different people operate and talk and speak and live. And it's a very, very beautiful thing. 10. When you become a really, really good trader, and you're consistent and you're consistently making profit, and you're doing the things that you say you want to do, I can tell you that it's very fulfilling. Right? You feel good when you know that you can get this right, because let's be real, it's not easy. So if you can be consistently profitable and you can consistently make returns on a monthly basis, a weekly basis, an annual basis, it is actually very fulfilling, because not everybody is going to achieve that result. So I would say aim for that, obviously, and yeah, allow yourself to be fulfilled. So this was a short video on the pros of being a Forex trader. I am going to make a short video on the cons as well, the not so good things, the somewhat negative things of being a trader, and you can be sure to look out for that. As always, guys, hit like if it is you like this video. I have a special request as well. I want you to share this with anybody who you think or who you know is having thoughts of becoming a trader. Show them the pros, right? And when I release the video with the cons, share it with them as well, so that they can know exactly what they're getting into. One of the big things for me, I didn't know of these pros and these cons. When I was coming into this industry, I just thought that it was easy money, and as you might see in the cons video, that's not the case. So I would tell you that be sure to share it with somebody who you think is coming into this industry and they don't necessarily know what they might be getting into. Give them the pros so that they know what they can benefit with. And also, when I do the cons video, give them the cons so that they can know what are the negative aspects of this industry. Comment below what you think is the best part of being a trader. Also, subscribe and ring the bell so that you can know when I release the cons video, so that you can weigh the options. And yeah, don't be afraid to reach out to me as well on Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok at Ikata Trading. Other than that, have a great day, and I will see you all in the next one.